In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to publish a Carrd website. If you've built a page in Carrd and you're ready for the world to see it, this walkthrough will take you from the editor to a live link you can share in just a few clicks. First, head to the Carrd dashboard. Sign in to your account, and on the main screen you'll see your projects. Click the one you want to publish to open it in the editor. Give your page a quick review in the editor to make sure your text, images, and buttons look the way you expect. Next, look to the top right corner of the editor. You'll see the Publish button. This is where you'll push your current draft live. Go ahead and click Publish. Carrd will open a small panel guiding you through the final steps. Now it's time to choose your website URL. For a fast and free option, select the .carrd.so address. You'll type in your site name, which becomes the first part of the link. For example, you might aim for something like your name, carrd.co. Keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your page. Avoid special characters, and if the name you want is taken, try a simple variation or add a dash. This address is case insensitive, so it doesn't matter if you use uppercase or lowercase in the field. If you already own a custom domain, Carrd can use that too. Just be aware that custom domains may require additional setup through your domain provider, so if you're not ready for that, the .carrd.so option is perfect to get you live quickly. You can always switch to a custom domain later. With your URL selected and your site name entered, you're ready for the final step. Click Publish Changes. Carrd will process your site, which usually takes just a few seconds. While it's publishing, it's packaging your layout, assets, and links so everything loads correctly on the live page. Once publishing finishes, you'll see or receive your live link. Click it to open your new website in a fresh tab and confirm everything looks right. If something seems off, return to the editor, make your adjustments, and click Publish again. You can republish as often as you need, and your link will stay the same. If you don't see updates immediately, refresh your browser or give it a moment to clear any cached content. That's it. You've successfully published your Carrd website and have a shareable link you can post, message, or add to your social profiles.